Ready to stop struggling with your walls and start finishing like a pro? You're in the right place. Get ready to level up your game as Pulley's Perfect Finish brings you the essential tricks of the trade for flawless drywall and painting.
Okay, we got tip of the day by R.C. Pulley. Pulley's Perfect Finishes. If you need a pot hook, there's one right on your can. Take your 5-in-1, which is this right here. Slide it. Let's see if we can get a good picture of this. And what we're going to do is we're going to put our knife right in the crease of that, and then either press or knock down. Bam, there we go.
I hope you picked up a few new tips from this episode of Tricks of the Trade. This entire series is proudly brought to you by the quality experts at Pulley's Perfect Finish. If you want more content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button.